Communication with your friends in the COVID era can be pretty difficult, so our project planned to make a Ouija board that would allow you to connect with friends that are long since gone. Since the pandemic started, anyway. For our project, we mainly derived inspiration from things like friendship lamps, where touching your lamp lights up your friends no matter where they are, and the love box, which transmits small text messages. But a major problem with both of these is that they're insanely expensive for really simple functionality, and they don't have any mechy flair. So when deciding what to put in our project, we thought of all sorts of things like LEDs, servo motors, occult symbols, wireless communication, all the exaggerated swagger of two Italian plumbers. Nothing was off the table. And ultimately, our initial design settled on something like this. A sort of rotational Ouija board that would allow the user to send and receive letters to and from another connected board. But how did our two Mario and Luigi Ouija boards actually accomplish this?
We have three inputs. The rotary encoder turns to set the letter you want to send. This is called the Mario letter. The slide potentiometer selects the color from the color wheel, and from Discord, yes Discord, we receive the sent letter from the other Luigi board. This is the Luigi letter. In terms of outputs, the motor spins to show the Luigi letter. There are two LEDs for each letter, and one lights up to show the Mario letter and the other shows the Luigi letter. And the mood lights change based on the color set before. On to the communication. When you select the Mario letter, Arduino puts it in the serial monitor, which a Python script reads and sends to Discord as a message. Then the Python script reads the Luigi letter sent by the other board, then sends it to the serial monitor of the Arduino, which reads and uses it as I described before. Now just switch on Mario in every instance and you get the second board. Thus we have communication between boards using Discord. One major challenge that has faced us has been controlling and wiring 56 LEDs, 28 for inputs and 28 for outputs. We've had limited space, and don't forget the resistors to wire as well. We also didn't have many pins to spare in our Arduino. So we took different routes. One of us soldered parts together, another used cardboard and tape, and one used a different lighting mechanism altogether. It was a practice in being resourceful and using what you had available. The second major challenge has been the radio frequency communication. We chose a module that we later discovered after much effort to be incompatible with our MKR0 boards. So instead, we wrote a bot on Discord.
In this demonstration, we have the Mario board receiving from the Discord bot, which is acting as a pseudo Luigi board, the letter L and displaying it. We can also see that the letter M, indicated by the red LED, was selected with the rotary encoder to the left. The letter M could then be sent to the Discord bot or other Luigi board.
Here is another demonstration to show the functionality of the rotary encoder. Again, L is sent in as the letter being received, which is displayed by the motor-controlled green arrow and the green LEDs. The rotary encoder is twisted to select a new letter, and the red LED changes to reflect this choice of letter. When the button is pressed, this letter, B, is sent back so a theoretical second board could receive it. Then, Yes is sent into the device to show off its large range of motion.
Here we have a demonstration of how the mood lighting would look and how it would be controlled in a mock-up of the final container for the Ouija board. However, the intended functionality would not be for you to control your own mood lighting, but to control the other board's mood lighting. As for real-world applications, our project really only has one main focus: connecting people together. By giving friends a way to send spontaneous, unprompted messages that require more intimate attention than texts, use a code you've both developed yourselves, or maybe even playing really tedious chess by sending algebraic notation. It's more than just a letter-by-letter hello. It's a reminder that though life may be busy, though you may be cities, states, or countries apart, you have a friend out there thinking about you. And we think the world is just a little less lonely that way. Thanks for watching.